Good morning guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. आज जो भी subscribers है, I just want to tell all the subscribers because of the usage of mobiles. It's very bad nowadays. People are having that is PDA, personal digital assistants. That is our mobile. So we have some problem with the mobile usage. So I just want to tell each and every personal, whoever is preparing for the defense as well as competitive examinations. So this is one thing I just want to tell one and all. These are the packing of my books. What are the material I have? You guys are aware. I had just recently made these kind of booklets with every question papers. I am sending you whatever the course you have. The courses are like this. So any competitive examinations, if you are preparing, I am there for you guys to help with the respective material and relevant to the point material. I am giving you the best material. If you want to know what exactly the material I have a patience. If you don't have the patience, you can just fuck away. So here I have the books are like this. As you can see, if you guys are preparing for Army Nursing Assistant, so this is one thing I just want to tell you guys. Army Nursing Assistants related, this kind of booklet I'll be making and I'll be sending you. Along with that, there are various booklets. If I say, like in the case of Army Tradesmen, we have this kind of booklet. We have the previous year original question papers. I am the YouTuber. I know what exactly I am doing. So this is what my intention behind. These are the handwritten mathematics. So you can see how exactly it looks like. So these handwritten mathematics as well as all the question papers will be given. This will be given by post. You will be getting to the at your doorstep. You have to pay in advance by Google Pay or Phone Pay. So there are a few people preparing for the Army clerk. We have the computers as a series of near about 1,000 questions in this, and all the what are the question papers have been given. They are there in my playlist. You guys can directly go through and have a look. If you think that, sir, we want these content in return, if you go through one video it takes 2 hours 3 hours, sir, if you want to save the time, so we want the material, you can call me. We give this kind of material for you. As you can see, Indian Coast Guard related, we have exam for the Indian Coast Guard as well. So this is one thing I just want to tell. So this is what I had prepared, the best questions from the various sources. What I feel these kind of questions you may get. So these are, you better purchase these material. They are all scrutinized by me and made by me and handwritten by me, all the mathematics questions, even the reasoning questions as well. So you better purchase in the market. What are the books we have? They are outdated, old pattern. Now they don't have the as per the new pattern as well as the current question papers. So I am the guy who have been preparing for the last 3 years. I'm working on that. So you knew about my YouTube channel, more than 2,000 plus question papers have been compiled. So if you think that, sir, we want a good material, you can directly call me. This is the way how I give the material to you guys. If I say general knowledge and general science question bank, that is something you will find like this. All these questions have compiled from various sources, important topics we have. I can directly help these whatever the question papers we have. So if I say not only this, few people are preparing for National Defense Academy. I can provide you the English subject related as well as general knowledge related static GK. We have the various, like in the case of intermediate mathematics I am not providing them, but in the case of up to 10th standard arithmetic, whatever we have CBSE level, I am giving you them. So this is something you can directly go through whatever the papers have been given in the case of National Defense Academy. If I say here in the case of English, whoever is preparing advanced level, that is combined graduate level, as well as if I say for the SSC CHSL combined higher secondary level, for those guys, as well as SSC GD level, if you are preparing extreme depth, so these are the books you must have. If you want, you can directly purchase. You can directly call me on 766730 for these books. I'll give you the good course, whatever you have the course. So here you can see in the case of Army Technical, we have 20 mock papers along with the previous year question papers along with the various things, you can directly go through this. These kind of booklets I'll provide you guys. If I say here general knowledge and general science questions we have here, so this is one thing you should remember. 6000 plus one liners which are very useful for RRB, NTPC, SSC, CGL and combined higher secondary level, as well as whoever is preparing for group D of Indian Railways. So this is one thing you must remember whatever I have. If I say on the case of Army, GD people are interested in purchasing the single books, let me tell you, I am not giving you single book. I'll give you the full course you have to purchase. So this is something Army GD 70 papers, and here along with those papers we have something. This is idioms and phrases, clauses, as well as rules related questions. So this is one thing you should remember. Everything has been given in such a nice manner. You can just have a look, and these are very important. All the content relevant to it has been given. You can directly have a look. If I say in the case of mathematics, in the case of people are interested in having few questions of mathematics, they can purchase these question papers. And we have something English mock series, that is 20 mock series. You can take this English mock series as well. Here if I say in the case of SSC and SSC GD as well as CISF and Assam Rifles as well, these are the few mocks which are very useful for you guys. You can directly purchase and you can call me for the amount. If I say here Air Force Y group, whoever is preparing for Air Force Y group, if you guys think that sir we lack communication skills, you can directly contact me. I am there for you to help you directly take this material, and it will be very helpful. So here we have something related to, that is technical nursing GD, and as we have a tradesman related few question papers. Whoever take the course, they will be only charged. So better take the question papers, and you can directly call me whatever you want. Now we have something army related clerk. So as I had told, clerk papers, we have 20 clerk papers. You can directly call me and take this material from me. Now we have something Navy MR test papers. As you are aware that I'll give you Navy MR question papers. If you want, you can call me. I'll provide you the maximum question papers, whatever you want. Here we have something Army GD and tradesman related question papers that will be given. All these material, whatever you are having, whatever you have gone through, all those material, it's all made by me. Manuscript, it is all prepared by me. So I can assure you, you will get 95% of questions, except I'm talking about current affairs. Except current affairs, all the questions will be, you will be covered. All the subjects, irrespective of reasoning, irrespective of mathematics, irrespective of environmental science, all these questions, exempt those questions, and you will have everything. Like except the current affairs, you will have everything in your whatever the content I had provided. And I can assure you, recently we had gone through various examinations like Air Force Y group I had seen, Navy MR exam I had seen, Navy SSR exam I had seen. There was no such question which was not discussed by me. I can assure you guys. So this is Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. If you have any doubt, you can call me on 7666 730 252. If you like this video, I want you guys to button on like, and I want you guys to share your friends whoever is preparing for Indian Defence Forces. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.